Hey guys, welcome to my next unboxing video. This is a Harley Benton guitar that I bought back in October, and when I bought it I knew it was back ordered until November, and then it got back ordered again until December 15th. It shipped December 15th, and then apparently it got damaged in shipping in Germany, so they sent it back to Neuman. They sent another one, and it finally arrived today in January. So I've been waiting for this for a while. It's their copy of those acoustic electric Taylors. I can't remember the model number, like T5 or something like that. I've wanted one since I was a kid, the Taylor at least. And so when I saw they had a Harley Benton copy, I was very excited to get one. And I'm hoping that this one isn't damaged. The outer packaging was very damaged, but the inner packaging looks fine. Okay. Doesn't look damaged. Quite beautiful finish. Not sure if you can see it. Yeah, it appears to be in good shape. It's a smaller scale than I realized. I don't know if the Taylors are that small or if I'm just not used to that scale. I guess this is for the battery strap button. I got the lipstick pickup, which I don't generally like, but it's part of these guitars. Big old headstock. A little bit less blue than it looks in pictures, a little more gray. Let me see if I have a matching strap. I bought a couple of straps from Harley Benton too. I gotta check my order because I thought I got blue and gray, but it looks like I got blue and gold. Blue's not quite the right blue to go with this. I'll have to look for something a little more natural. I also have that's way too wild. So like a tannish blue, or even a blue and gold would probably work. Okay, well, we've documented on camera that it arrived in good shape, and I'll do a demonstration video of it soon. So time for the next unboxing. Thanks for watching.